Welcome to the Multifeed Google Shopping Feed app, the ultimate tool for managing and optimizing your product feeds. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how easy it is to use Multifeed to streamline your feed management. Let's start by how to install Multifeed Google Shopping Feed. We go to Shopify App Store and click Install. The app will ask you to connect Google account. You can also continue without a Google account, but you will need to manually add the created feeds into Google Merchant Centers. So, for now, I'm going to connect my Google account. We will continue with how to create the very first feed. Clicking the button Start Creating Feed. Here, you can select the platform you want to create the feed for, whether it's Google Shopping, Facebook, or other platforms. In this case, I will select Google Shopping to get started. You can name your feed like US. Because you have connected your Google account, the app will have access to the list of the Merchant Center accounts that your Gmail has access to. You are going to select one of them for the feed. Then, Next. Because I am creating an US feed, I will choose English for the feed language and USD for source currency. With pricing context, I will choose the United States. For feed labels, I will add a feed label which targets country, United States. Because I want to start quickly, I'm going to go with the fast way by choosing default settings. So just click Next till the very last step. OK, before saving the feed, I will have an option to preview the feed data. I'm going to click on Feed Preview. Alright, I'm going to select a product. The app is supposed to present the data that would be generated from the product. Let's have a look at this. We have the item ID, we have the title, we have the description in English, we have the link to the product. Everything is in here. So, because I'm happy with it, I will just save the feed. Remember to click Save several times until you arrive at the Feeds tab. OK, the app asked me to upgrade, so in this case, I don't really want to upgrade yet. I just want to do a test, so I'm going to go back and include just a small collection with a small number of products. OK, because the app has a free plan which allows you to include up to 10 products, the feed starts immediately, as you can see here. The feed will refresh once a day. If you want the feed to refresh more frequently than once a day, you can add more schedules with some extra cost, not much. For example, for 1,000 products you will only need to pay extra $0.9 for every month. Okay, for now I'm happy with the default refresh once a day, so I'll leave it as that. Okay, everything is ready. Actually, the feed by now should have already been added in my merchant center already. So let's have a look at the Google Merchant Center. As you can see that my feed is already in here. That's perfect, all done now. Now, let's take a look at feed performance. On the dashboard page, you can track your feed's health in real time. If any issues arise, Multifeed will notify you with real-time error reports. You can quickly fix the errors to ensure your products stay active and compliant with Google's requirements. Ready to simplify your Google Shopping feed management? Install Multifeed Google Shopping, start your free trial and experience all the powerful features Multifeed offers. If you need any more support, feel free to contact with us via email or chat. We are always happy to help.